Hey everybody, our season's finally kicking into gear and we're going to hold an open house parade on Saturday, February 8th to showcase our listings. Here's some of our agents to tell you about the homes and their features. Hey Brian, where are you going to be?
At 848 Angel Wing, my favorite feature has to do with the boating. You got deep water canals, direct Gulf access, you can't beat it. Kelly, what's your favorite feature?
Welcome to 640 Periwinkle Way. This house is amazing. Imagine sitting on this porch having coffee every morning or just relaxing in the sun, enjoying all the ambiance. Hey Greg, where are you?
At 1543 San Carlos Bay Drive, we've got a newly renovated 5-bedroom house. This is the master bedroom deck. View to the bay on that side. And overlooking your private pool, we got 2 boat lifts, a small one and a large one, and the large one is covered, which is very rare. Wendy, what do you got?
At 946 Well, can you imagine being out here every morning on your beautiful dock and watching dolphins, manatees, canoes pass you by? This home offers great deep water access and is close to everything. Brendan, where are you?
I'm out here today at Gulfside Place, unit number 126. It's been completely remodeled, and one of the best features of this condo is the beautiful direct Gulf view. Hey Tanner, where are you at?
I'm at the beautifully remodeled home at 1062 South Yachtsman Drive. This canal front home is the epitome of island living with short bike rides to Sanibel Marina and the beach. Lisette, where are you at?
I'm right down the road at 727 Periwinkle. This is a stunningly remodeled 3-bedroom with 3 ensuite bath home that's light, bright, and open with the canal right behind the home. And Steve, where are you at today?
We're at the Heron Condominium at the Sanctuary. One of my favorite things about this unit is the great view it has of the number 9 fairway. This great 3-bedroom unit has fantastic views and lots of light. And we're going to send this over to Casey.
I'm here at 1730 Jewel Box Drive, a direct access canal property in a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home. My favorite part about this home is the views. The views from this house are outstanding. Where are you at, Marvell?
I'm at 1425 Causey Court, a beautiful home on a quiet cul-de-sac here in the highly sought after Dunes community. As you can see behind me, beautiful golf course views, beautiful lake views. We look forward to seeing you Saturday, February 8th. That way you can share your favorite feature of all our showcase properties.